I've been waiting for this moment for many years. So here we are. The future is with me. This is the Oculus Quest 2 VR kit from Facebook. A little bit of controversy that I read around this is that you can't, you have to have a Facebook account to use it, which I think is a bit cheeky. But anyway, let's get into it. Let's see what have we got. Take this off there. Ooh. That's what we've got here. Headset. Two controllers. And what that is. Some sort of visor thing. Glasses spacer. Okay. So when I was looking at reviews on this, I was considering getting the additional Elite strap, which is like helps counterbalance the headset because it's quite. It's not that heavy, but what happens is if you wear this for a long time, apparently you can get marks on your face. So the Elite strap helps balance it out and makes it a bit more comfortable on the back. If I get that, I might show that to you later. Okay, there we go. Let's see what's in this thing here. I presume this is the charging cable. Instructions. Yep, simple USB-C charge cable. Okay, let's see how it goes.